Can we talk about something real quick? Because I was standing in the pad aisle stressed as hell this weekend. Since a study came out stating that all major pads that we've been using as women every month contain hormonal disrupting chemicals and are also linked to cancer. The stuff that we as women have to go through. You guys, I've went to gynecologists because of my hormones. I was battling hormonal acne for years, not knowing where it comes from. I've been eating healthy. I've been drinking healthy. I haven't been doing all of this wara wara wara. So I've been doing everything my side, and still the gynecologist couldn't find out what was causing my hormonal disruptions. Come to find out now that a study that came out from a university states that all major brands, and that is Kotex, always stay free. Brands I've been using almost every month, you guys. Huh? The reason why we are struggling with endometriosis is the pads. The reason why we are struggling with hormonal imbalances is because of our pads. The reason why we are maybe struggling with infertility, it could be our pads. You guys, I don't want to cause any fear, but this is only to spread awareness because not everybody knows about the study that came out. I was struggling to find a pad. I didn't know which pad I should take. But then I took this pad from Clicks because I didn't find this one on the list. I also saw more ladies say that there's another pad at ShopRite which the name is Ultratex. I'm gonna try out that one as well, but I'm gonna try this one first and see how it works for me because this one is not on the list. All the other brands are too expensive and I'm not gonna buy expensive pads. I'm gonna do this one because it was like 20 Rand, I think. But yeah, guys, please Google the list and stay safe, you ladies. Love you.